Hello kids, I am back with your big friends formula, both addition and subtraction as you can see here. As you can see here. Okay, so now, ma'am, you told me that I will apply big friends where I'll get stuck. Okay, where do we apply friends? Where we get stuck, right? So you told me that I will get stuck in plus one two times because plus one's formula is different here. Small friends formula was different. I know you have these questions. Yes. See, you are gonna get stuck again in the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. But see here, we have till 9. Let's go to 9 afterwards. Okay, we will get stuck in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and we are gonna apply these formulas. What about the small friends formula we did? We did from 1 to 4 only, no, and minus 1 to minus 4 only for small friends. So, from 1 to 4 and minus 1 to minus 4. Wherever I am stuck in those numbers, wherever I am stuck in, for example, minus 2, and I am not able to apply small friends also, that point of time we will do big friends. Okay, just listen to me carefully right now. In my coming videos, I'll show you with practical examples what I mean to say. Okay, just for now, remember these formulas and after remembering, watch my next videos. How can you remember it? Same trick, add God less friend for adding. For subtraction, less God add friend. For example, plus 2 is what? Number is plus, God is plus. Plus 10, minus 8. Minus 3, ma'am. If it is minus 3, God will be minus. Minus 10 plus 7. Okay, for minus 7 now. God is minus, number will be minus. Minus 10 plus, number is minus 7, so God will also be minus. That is minus 10 plus 3. Now tell me the big friends formula of plus 3. It is plus 3. If 3 is plus, the God is plus. Plus 10, minus 7. Okay, remember these formulas and then come to the next videos. I'm going to tell you tricks to remember the formulas also. Okay, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.